It's easy to reset your Google Chromecast if the device is having issues. You can reset the Chromecast directly on the device or through the Google Home app. You may also need to reset your Chromecast if you get a new wireless router. I'm going to show you how to simply reboot it and also factory reset it. To do this via the Google Home app, simply navigate to the right Chromecast device, go into the settings at the top, and press the three dots again at the top, and you can see the option to either reboot or factory reset. If you press to reboot, the Chromecast will turn itself off and on again. If you press factory reset, it will do the same, except you will also have to complete the setup again in the app. If you want to factory reset it from the device itself, all you have to do is, while it's plugged into the TV, hold the only button on the device for about 10 seconds or until the orange light turns white again. Then it will begin the factory reboot and you will go through the setup process once again on the Google Home app. Now make sure your Android or iOS device has the Google Home app installed. Open it up and complete the steps to set up your Chromecast. Now to reboot the Chromecast from the device itself, all you have to do is unplug the power source for about 1 minute. This will be either the mains plug or the USB cable that goes into the TV. You don't actually have to disconnect the HDMI itself. Leave it unplugged for 1 minute, then plug the power cable back in, and that should reboot the device. So there you go, that is how to reboot and factory reset the Google Chromecast from the app and from the device itself.